So today is not a competition.
I was kind of expecting it to be more of a lecture.
It's not a lecture.
It's very different to a normal maths class.
It's not a lesson.
It's a lot different to what I was expecting.
It's not a test.
There's a lot more focus on how you think about things and not whether you get the right answer or not.
And it's not an exam. The list of what today is not about is there so that people go, they're the things I thought mathematics kind of was. So immediately when you come in the room, you get confronted with this notion that maybe what you think currently mathematics is, it's not. Well, fundamentally, the word I choose to use now is a mathematician. My job is not to tell you the answer, because your job is to get an answer and then be absolutely convinced that that is right. And unfortunately, the way you become convinced is not by me telling you. The kids come with their teachers, so that's the first important part of this puzzle. They don't come alone. So they're coming with a support group of a couple of other students and a teacher. Part of what today is about is trying to get you to a point where you can have ideas.
Yeah, it's like that, see?
And develop the ideas to a point where you're so confident in them, you know they're right.
I think what they get is their first real experience at exploring something with mathematics. Maths lessons are generally, here's a question, here's how you do it. Here's another question, here's how you do it. And sort of hoping that they accumulate skills, and you can then give them any question and they know which trick to trot out and they can do it.
If I put my circle here, he'll go cross, circle, cross, circle.
The board games that we were playing before and the mazes, like you can sort of apply that to the real world, and everyone's working together rather than a competition between each person in the normal classroom. So I think that's really good and really fun.
These puzzles and problems are things that they are presented with, they're open-ended, they can take them wherever they want, and it's the first time they actually get to explore and play with mathematics for the first time.
In classroom maths, all you'll learn is like you're studying for a test, and in the test there's only one right answer, but here it's really good to question the thinking.
These ones, you can generate ideas, and it's more like English maths because English has such broad answers.
Grace said to me, "Is the answer 37? And I said, "I'm afraid I can't tell you."
It's entertaining and to bring out people's ideas rather than just the answers itself.
Yeah, and it's more interactive, I guess, than I thought it would have been.
If you're like me, I've had many experiences where someone like Ben has got up and done that, and I've gone, that must be right because I don't understand a thing he just said. All right? The point of the whole experience for the kids really is to try to mimic in a slightly lower way, but how a mathematician works, what they do, what they think about, how they think, the questions they ask themselves.
My mum's always been telling me from an early age that it can be fun, and to be honest with you, I didn't really like maths much, but coming here it does show me that maths isn't only about getting there, it's how you get there.
Often I'll have an idea and it's only half baked, and then I'll hear someone else's idea and bam, those two ideas take me somewhere.
It's been really interactive, and we've been able to express our ideas, and it's been really fun talking to other kids that are interested in the same things as me.
Looks like it is. Would you like to go and put yours up in the circles in red? So the dream is simple, that when they go back to school as a collective, the teacher and the three students will have a desire to go and share what they've seen today with either their class or other kids or other teachers at school. And then hopefully they'll have this belief that they can perpetuate that in their classroom as well. Not every lesson, but if they could do it once a month, how good would that be? Not just simply, I need to learn, I need to replicate, but in fact I can sit down and I can have ideas and I can develop them and I can be sure of them. So that's a simple dream.